We'll guide you through how to fix AirPods 4 not connecting. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as you may want to go and listen to music through them and you're unable to. So let's go and get straight into these different fixes. First of all, you want to try charging them. They can just be out of battery, which is why they aren't working. So what you want to do is go and grab your cable and go and plug them in like so. After time has passed, you can then try opening them up again and using them. And hopefully now you can go and start connecting and using them. If that works, then great. However, if it doesn't, what you want to do is place them both in the case and close the lid and open it up again. Double tap on the light like so. Double tap again. Then again. They should then start flashing orange. Go and wait and they've now successfully reset. You can close the lid and go and open it again and hopefully now they'll appear on your phone. If that still isn't working, then make sure your iPhone or other device is up to date. Open up your settings, go down and find General, and then you can tap on Software Update. If there's one available, tap on Update Now and go and do it. After you've done the update, see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't or there wasn't an update available, then what you want to do is try doing a forced restart. To do that, press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Now keep it held down. Shortly, your phone screen will go black. Keep it held down until you can go and see the Apple icon. Then you can release and wait. When it starts again, try opening up your AirPods and hopefully now you can connect.